What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, as you guys can see here in front of me, I have one of our Vicrez front bumpers, and this is our Mach 1 style front bumper for the Ford Mustang. And the VZ for this is VZ102496, fitting 2018 to 2023 models. Now, let's go ahead and get into this. Now, starting off, we have our front lid. There's our front lid. And then we'll have our bottom grille. As well as our top grille. And then our front bumper itself. Now this is all the pieces to the Mach 1 front bumper laid out. Now getting into some of the other pieces that aren't shown on the website, like these pieces here. These are just brackets to help install pieces, and the brackets help attach the front bumper to the car itself for install. So you'll have 3 brackets for each side, as you can see here, and then same for the other side. Now, of course, we also do include backings for the ports here, just in case you want to not have them opened up. You can go ahead and close them off. And of course, the bumper also does come with hardware. It comes with clips for your bolts, which are included, as well as the nuts, washers, rivets, and rivet screws for install, as well as assembly. Now, other than that, this is our Mach 1 front bumper, and I believe we have an install video up on our Vicrez YouTube channel if you would like to go check that out. But other than that, if you'd like to see more videos about this front bumper, let us know down in the comments, and make sure to leave us a like and hit that subscribe button, as well as that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos like this one. Peace.